All right, so let's go ahead and create our first plugin. For those of you that have possibly seen a Logarithmics tutorial, it's going to be very similar. Wes did a great job introducing us to the API, so I'm going to cover a lot of that same material with some things that may be a little bit different. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and hit File, click New Plugin, and from here we're able to select a location for our plugin. We can create it in our user documents folder, which is where we're going to do ours, or if you prefer, you can create it locally inside of your Substance Designer installation. I always prefer to keep stuff out of the C drive if possible, so I'm going to put it here to the documents folder. We're going to give it a name. So this particular thing that I'm going to be building is going to be a nudge node. Basically, I'm going to allow you to hit a hotkey and nudge the node up, down, left, or right. So I'm going to call it nudge underscore node. Also here you'll notice that I'm not camel casing, I'm using the underscore. I personally prefer camel case, but for Python I think the standard is no caps and use underscore, so that's kind of what I'm going to be using here. And the label is going to be called nudge node, and this is just a description, so we'll just say nudges selected nodes up, down, left, or right. All right, and then we'll hit OK. Once we do that, you'll see that it automatically creates a initialize file for us, and it imports all of the libraries that we need. So with this, we can really just hit run. And if we go under scripts, you'll see that there's our nudge node. Now it doesn't do anything, right? So if I just go to scripts, hit nudge node, nothing happens, but it is there. So we're going to go over making some adjustments here, as well as further construction in the next tutorial.